10 car brands collapsing by 2026. That's right. By the end of next year, these icons of the road could be nothing but ghosts in your rearview mirror. We're talking bankruptcies, factory shutdowns, and sales crashes that make the 2008 recession look like a fender bender. Why now? High interest rates are choking loans. Tariffs are jacking up prices by thousands, and the EV revolution is leaving gas guzzlers and entire brands in the dust. Chinese giants like BYD are flooding markets with cheap electrics, while legacy players scramble. We've crunched the numbers from recent sales data, bankruptcy filings, and insider leaks. Stick around. This could save you from buyer's remorse on your next ride. Hit that like button if you're Team Gas or Team Electric, and subscribe for more no BS auto intel. Let's rev into number 10. Number 10. Jaguar, the British Lion's last roar. First up, the elegant Englishman of luxury sedans, Jaguar. Once the purr of sophistication for James Bond, this Tata Motors-owned brand is now clawing for survival. In 2024, Jaguar sold a pathetic 13,210 units in the US. That's less than a rounding error for Toyota's monthly tally. Globally, sales have plummeted 70% since their 2018 peak, thanks to a botched pivot to EVs. Jaguar's bold plan: go all-electric by 2025, axing every gas model overnight. Sounds innovative, right? Wrong. Their EV lineup, like the upcoming I-Pace refresh, is DOA, without affordable batteries or charging infrastructure. Financially, it's a bloodbath. Tata reported $1.2 billion in losses for Jaguar Land Rover in 2024 alone, with Jaguar bleeding the most. Dealers are ditching franchises left and right, and whispers of a full shutdown by 2026 are growing louder. Experts like Doug DeMuro predict Jaguar's US exit first, followed by a global fade-out unless a Chinese buyer swoops in. Iconic? Yes. Doomed? Absolutely. If you're eyeing a used F-Type, grab it now, before they're collector's items from a dead brand. Number 9. Fisker, EV dream turns nightmare, moving to the electric Wild West. Fisker, Henrik Fisker's second stab at glory with the Ocean SUV, promised Tesla-killing range and luxury at half the price. Reality? A $1 billion debt bomb that exploded in bankruptcy last year. They missed an $8.4 million interest payment on 2026 bonds. Ironic, since 2026 might be their end date anyway. Production woes piled on, faulty batteries caused recalls, Magna's contract manufacturing deals soured, and US ports blocked 1,000+ oceans over import violations. Sales? A measly 10,000 units in 2024, against projections of 80,000. Elon Musk himself tweeted they'd fold, and he's rarely wrong on rivals. With no cash for retooling and lawsuits mounting, Fisker's revival bid is a long shot. By 2026, expect liquidation sales of leftover oceans at fire sale prices. Lesson: hype doesn't charge batteries. Number 8. Chrysler, minivan mausoleum. Next, America's forgotten workhorse, Chrysler. Down to one lonely model, the Pacifica minivan for 2025, this Stellantis stepchild is on life support. Sales tanked 40% in 2024, with just 120,000 units moved amid EV mandates killing their sedans and SUVs. CEO Carlos Tavares, before his ouster, warned brands that don't profit get axed by 2026. Stellantis is shuttering factories and slashing jobs, with Chrysler's Windsor plant next on the chopping block. No new ICE models and their EV crossover tease for 2026, vaporware if funding dries up. Dealers report 188 days of inventory, that's 6 months of dust on lots. As Ray from Car Edge quips, one minivan won't save them. By 2026, Chrysler could join Plymouth in the grave, unless Stellantis mercy kills it sooner. Number 7. Dodge, muscle memory fade. Revving into spot 7. Dodge, the American muscle icon. Their Hellcat chargers scream power, but sales whisper failure. The Durango SUV, dead last in its class, with Q3 2025 sales down 25%. The Hornet Compact, a flop, barely cracking 5,000 units quarterly. Stellantis's EV push means no more V8 glory. A 2026 electric Charger is coming, but muscle fans aren't biting. Tariffs on imported parts could add $5,000 per truck, pricing out blue-collar buyers. With factory closures looming, Dodge's bad boy image can't outrun red ink. Doug DeMuro flags it as a U.S. exit candidate by 2026. Time to trade in that Challenger before parts become unobtainium. Number 6. Alfa Romeo, Italian passion, American flop. La Dolce Vita of Alfa Romeo. But in the US, it's more like a heartbreak hotel. 2024 sales, 8,165 units, down 60% from 2018 peaks. The Giulia and Stelvio Quadrifoli cancelled for 2025, leaving a skeleton crew of unreliable rockets. Reliability woes, think infotainment glitches and transmission tantrums, scare buyers away. Stellantis turmoil, post-Tavares, has dealers panicking. Alpha's on the shutdown list if profits don't spike. No affordable EVs incoming, and Chinese rivals undercut their price. By 2026, expect Alfa Romeo out of North America. A tragic end for the brand that birthed the 8C. Number 5. Infiniti, Nissan's luxury lemming. Halfway through our countdown, Infiniti, Nissan's upscale alter ego. Their QX50 was the best seller in 2024 with 10,000 units, but that's crumbs compared to BMW's X3 at 50,000 or plus. No compelling EVs, dated designs, and zero brand buzz. Nissan's own 12-14-month survival clock ticks louder for its luxury arm. Dealers report stair-step incentives, desperate rebates that erode margins. With tariffs hitting imports, Infiniti's Japan-built Luxo barges could price themselves extinct by 2026. DeMuro calls it a nothing burger in a crowded field. Park it and walk to a Lexus dealership. Number 4. Rivian. Amazon's EV Albatross electric adventure king Rivian promised to conquer off-road EVs. Reality? $5 billion in cumulative losses, with 2024 deliveries missing targets by 20%. The R1T and R2 are cool, but production ramps stuttered amid battery shortages and VW's failed investment. Elon Musk predicted bankruptcy, and with Amazon cutting orders, it's plausible. Q3 2025 saw inventory balloon to 90 days, signaling demand drought. No profitability until 2027. By 2026, Rivian could RIP, unless Uncle Sam bails him out again. Number 3. Lucid. Saudi Mirage silver medal in doom. Lucid Motors, the Saudi-backed EV luxury play. The Air sedan boasts 500-mile range, but sales under 500 US units in 2024. Ouch. $3 billion in losses despite PF's cash infusions. Gravity SUV delay to 2026. Too late. Musk's bankruptcy call rings true as rivals like Tesla dominate. With no mass-market model, Lucid's a rich man's folly, headed for Chapter 11 by year's end. Dreamy design, nightmarish finances. Number 2. Nissan, rogue wave of red ink. Runner-up, Nissan, Japan's volume king turned cautionary tale. An exec leaked 12 to 14 months to survive as of late 2024. US sales flat at 900,000. But profits evaporated by EV flops like the Ariya and tariff threats adding $4,900 per import. Versa subcompact axed for 2026. Factories idling. It's a death spiral. Renault Alliance strains and Chinese EVs undercut everything. By 2026, Nissan could be carved up or collapsed. Number 1. Volkswagen, the people's car. Out of business and the grand collapse. Volkswagen, the world's second-largest automaker. US sales, 329,000 in 2024, 34,000 shy of Mazda. Dieselgate scars linger, ID Buzz EV hype fizzles, and German plants shutter amid $2 billion losses. EV strategy, muddled positioning, with software glitches plaguing the ID4. Tariffs could crush imports, and union strikes add fuel to the fire. Prognosis: US retreat by 2026, full global restructure, or bust. The Beatles' heir, a bankrupt empire. There you have it. 10 car brands teetering on the edge of 2026 oblivion. From Jaguar's luxury lament to VW's volume vanishing act, the auto apocalypse is here. What's your take? Will Stellantis save Chrysler? Can Rivian rally? Drop your predictions in the comments, smash like if this opened your eyes, and subscribe for updates on survivors like Toyota and Tesla. Drive safe out there, because tomorrow's roads might have fewer lanes. See you next time.